Lust is not what you think it is. It's not just desire. It's a silent system that slowly takes control of your mind without telling you. And the worst part is that you don't even notice when you lose. It doesn't destroy you in one moment. It destroys you in small decisions you think don't matter. You open your phone for a few seconds, you tell yourself just a quick look, and suddenly your focus is gone, your energy drops, your motivation disappears, and you don't even understand why. But listen carefully. This is not about weakness. This is about wiring. Because every time you give in, your brain learns one thing: instant pleasure is better than long-term success. And once your brain learns that, it starts choosing comfort over discipline automatically. And that's when life starts changing. Not outside, but inside. You stop chasing goals properly. You delay things. You lose focus for no reason. And the most dangerous part is that you still think you are in control, but you're not. You are reacting, not deciding. Now let's talk about real life. Have you ever noticed that you watch certain content, then you go outside, and your mind doesn't feel normal anymore? People around you start feeling different. Your attention keeps shifting back, not because reality changed, but because your brain got trained to a different level of stimulation. And now normal life feels boring. This is how the loop starts. Now let's break it properly, because willpower alone will not save you. If willpower worked, you wouldn't be watching this in the first place. You don't rise to discipline, you fall to systems, so let's fix the system. Step 1. Remove easy access, not control, remove. Your phone is not the enemy, unlimited access is. And if something is always available, your brain will eventually give in. Step 2. Break the loop instantly. When the urge hits, don't sit and think, move, stand up, walk, change your environment. Because urges don't survive movement, they survive stillness. Step 3. Replace the dopamine source. If you remove stimulation but don't replace it, your brain will pull you back, so replace it with something real like gym, walking, learning, or work that actually builds your life. Step 4. Stop feeding imagination. This is where most people lose, not in action, but in thought. Because what you repeat in your mind becomes stronger than reality. So cut it immediately and don't entertain it. Step 5. Understand the real trigger. Lust is rarely just lust. It is usually loneliness, stress, boredom, or escape from pressure. So ask yourself what you are actually trying to avoid right now. Because once you solve that, the urge loses power. Now listen carefully. You are not weak, you are not broken. You are trained the wrong way, and anything trained can be retrained.